the letter Q, we have elements in the uppercase of the O. We're basically repeating it and adding a tail. For the lowercase, it is essentially the lowercase letter P flipped. So for this one, it's quite simple. Again, there is no true serif for the uppercase, kind of like the O. So I just instead gave you tail variations you can play with. If you remember from our O tutorial, I'm going to start on my practice here layer. As always, you can grab these worksheets free in the caption. So usually I would start with my O. I can click edit ellipse if I need to. And then again, we have lightweight, heavier weight, lightweight, heavier weight. And that is a little off center, so I can click edit ellipse. Whoops, I wasn't fast enough. That one doesn't have enough weight. So light, heavy, that'll give me a better shape. Edit ellipse, arrow, oh, all right, we'll just do it the manual way. So I'm gonna select it with my ribbon tool on freehand and just kind of center that a little better. You can also stretch it if you need to, freeform, stretch it up and down a little if you want your thin strokes to be even thinner or you wanna manually adjust it that way. So I'm gonna add my letter fill first, and then sometimes I'll do the tail on a new layer just in case I want to kind of change it around. So then I'll just start thickening up some of it, kind of like that, adding a little weight on both sides and going with what looks best visually. Then I can fill it in and adjust it from there. So I could go even thicker. I think thicker might be nice. And then because it's on its own layer, I can kind of play with it. I can keep it there, I can put it there, which I think is a fun look. That gives you can, go more traditional and maybe angle it like that. That gives you a little more flexibility to play with it. Again, for the lowercase Q, you can pay attention to where the serifs are placed. And this is really just, let's take a letter here. I am going to edit my worksheet. So I'm gonna take this letter, copy and paste it, and just show you real quick here. So a Q, if we flip it, we've got a lowercase p, now we've got a B, now we've got a D. So it is good. There's little variations you'll make to make it look more balanced, but essentially you are drawing the same letter over and over again. And doing so is what helps give your, if you're creating a whole alphabet style, that will help give your letter forms consistency within the same style. I have an article on the blog with all my tips for creating custom lettering styles and how I approach that and go about it. So I'll put that in the caption as well. For your script cue, same as always, just weighting the downstrokes and keeping your upstrokes that nice thin monoline. You can also, I don't think I've even shown you this in the past videos, if you have my basic brush kit, my classic brush kit to this day is my bestseller. It's been out for such a long time, but it continues to be a bestseller probably because the calligraphy brushes are especially good. So if you want to, you can even practice calligraphy too. The key, if you remember from the letter O video, is starting about 1 o'clock with light pressure, heavy pressure, light pressure. And just like with that letter O, you can actually let Procreate do it as well. Now, if you want more contrast, just up the size of the brush and press a little harder. Like that. And if you get a weird dot, I accidentally pressed a little too hard again, you can either just erase it out or you can give it a go from scratch. And then same light pressure, heavy pressure, lighter pressure. That one was a little wonky, light, heavy, light. So you could go something more delicate down there, or you could get thicker like I did up here. But that's just another variation that you could use with these practice sheets if you wanted to practice actual brush calligraphy as well. I also have some dedicated brush calligraphy practice sheets on the blog. And after this series is finished, I will be doing a true calligraphy worksheet series with the entire alphabet.